タケシさん、ご苦労様でした。
お疲れ様でした.
어느 늦은 밤 과거 엘리트 요원이었던 남자가 차를 타고 집으로 돌아가려는데요. 남자의 죽음을 시작으로 각지에서 조용히 살아가던 요원들이 살해되기 시작합니다.
I'm so happy you like it.
결국 스페인 정보국은 심상치 않은 이번 일을 조사하기 위해 나서죠.
Here it is. Operation Cienega. Fresh out of the cave.
What do we know about it?
Well, that all 4 murdered agents took part in it, and they all have been using aliases ever since. There's one more file in here. Look at this.
Nothing leaves this office until we know what we're dealing with.
All right. What are you gonna do?
There's only one option now.
그렇게 스페인의 정보국장은 현재 스페인의 엘리트 요원인 세타 요원에게 임무를 맡기려 합니다.
So subtle.
You wouldn't have agreed to it over the phone.
You know that I'm still on leave, right?
I know.
휴가 중이었던 세타였지만 한시가 급한 임무란 말에 그는 일단 국장에게서 임무 내용을 들어보기로 하죠.
Come on, take this. Like this. Come on, you got this. You can do it.
현재 세타는 정신이 온전치 않은 어머니를 모시며 살고 있었습니다.
You have your mother's eyes.
My mom says I've got my dad's personality.
Your father is a legend, they say.
All the fallen end up as legends. You got this.
잠시 후 정보국장에게 임무 내용에 대해 듣는 세타.
The 4 victims lived under false identities and worked at different Spanish embassies. They were protected by the government.
They were in hiding, but how come?
No idea, but it looks like they were all hunted down and executed.
Why those 4?
It seems that 37 years ago, these individuals took part in the same mission. They are former members of CSID, old school spies.
What type of mission?
I don't know anything else. There doesn't appear to be any records of the mission.
We don't leave much in writing, but there's always something.
Yeah, but for that operation, there wasn't anything written down. Or it could have been destroyed. I don't know.
Right now, my mother is my priority. I want to spend as much time as I can with her.
I totally understand.
All right.
But there could be another murder, Iago. The Cienega operation involved 5 agents. There's only been 4 victims.
You can't locate the 5th.
Exactly.
I'm sorry, Elena, but you know the drill.
If she could talk, your mother would say that you should do this.
Excuse me?
그런데 이때 정보국장은 마지막 남은 요원이 죽은 줄 알았던 세타의 아버지란 말을 합니다.
Is this a joke or something?
It's the file of Salvador Acares, La Cienega, from 1987. He's the 5th agent I want you to locate and protect.
No, my dad. He died on a mission when I was a baby. It's someone else.
You're right. Eric Baena died 34 years ago. He and the 4 agents were pronounced deceased and relocated with their new identities.
No, my mother would never lie to me about that.
I'm sorry, Iago.
Absolutely not.
I just found out about it. Iago, locate Acares.
결국 고민하던 세타는 그가 정말 자신의 아버지인지 알아보기 위해 이번 임무를 수락하기로 합니다. 다음 날 앙카레스의 사무실로 향하는 세타.
He was retiring today, that's why it's like this. We were waiting for him, and when he didn't show up, we were
His
just...
desk?
That one.
Has he received any letters or packages?
No. His cigarettes.
This one here?
Yeah. He smoked, but his wife didn't know. So he had them sent here.
Could I have a minute alone, please?
Of course.
Thanks.
이때 세타는 담배들 속에서 의문의 열쇠 하나를 발견하죠. 곧바로 세타는 앙카레스의 집에 연락을 한 뒤 앙카레스의 아내와 얘기를 나눠보려 합니다.
Is your mom here?
Hello. Jesus, right?
Yes.
Come on in.
Thank you. Noticed any strange behavior lately?
Some days he did act strange. One time he said he thought someone was following him, but has this got something to do with it? God! I knew he was lying to me about something. I'm so stupid.
We're gonna find out where he is, okay? Don't worry. Mrs. Carlson, calm down.
It's over here.
잠시 후 앙카레스의 방으로 안내를 받은 세타는 수상해 보이는 벽면에서 무언가를 찾아냅니다. 얼마 전 찾은 열쇠로 금고를 여니 그곳엔 돈다발과 세타의 어린 시절 사진이 있었죠. 이때 금고 안쪽에 있던 USB를 찾은 세타는 그 안에 있는 동영상을 재생해 보는데요.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If you're watching this, it means the five of us from Cienega are being hunted. If you came to kill me, you're not going to find me. Nor will I tell you anything about the mission or what happened there. Nothing. Please don't hurt them. They have nothing to do with it. They know nothing. If you're one of the good guys, there are two things. Protect my family. And check that envelope. It'll give you all the information you need.
Iago, we're checking the codes. They could be ours. Did he say anything else?
Nothing else.
Chief, take a look at this.
Let's see, hang on.
The codes lead us to GPS coordinates, which point to here.
It's confirmed. The codes are ours.
그런데 이때 누군가가 세타의 가방을 훔쳐가고 곧바로 세타는 황급히 오토바이를 쫓습니다.
Stand up! Stand up! Hands up! Hands up! Take off your helmet. Now,
잠시 후 헬멧을 벗자 아름다운 여성이 모습을 드러냅니다.
turn around.
Intelligence Service of Colombia. Drop your weapon.
Salome Suarez. Sure. Your code name?
Alpha.
Why is Colombia looking for a former Spanish spy in Estonia? Someone's been following Ancares for the last few days.
I don't know. When I showed up, he was already gone.
So you could have identified yourself and asked me about it, but you robbed me instead.
Excuse me? I'm the one who ended up across your windshield. Why didn't the CNI control Ancares? So what do we do next?
You do as you please. I'm waiting for orders.
I've got a proposition. You tell me where to find Ancares. I'll tell you what I know about Operation Cienega. It's a win-win, don't you think? We both want the same thing.
I don't work as a team.
But from now on, you do.
Whatever you say.
이때 스페인 정보국장에게 전화를 받는 세타.
Yep.
I talked to my Colombian counterpart. Alpha is her best agent, the top of her class. Ancares and the 4 dead agents operated illegally in Colombia. It seems Operation Cienega was a black op for all agencies. So now Colombia and Spain have the same objective. From now on, we're working with the DNI as a team.
Are you fucking kidding me?
There's no other choice.
The coordinates. Have you found anything?
Yes, the coordinates lead to St. John the Baptist Cemetery, Rio de Janeiro.
Ancares buried Eric Bayana there.
Correct.
결국 세타는 알파와 함께 앙카레스를 찾기 위해 브라질로 향해 봅니다.
You copy?
Loud and clear. Sweeper, orange uniform.
Alpha, I found the tomb.
잠시 후 세타는 앙카레스의 옛 이름인 에릭 바에나의 묘지를 찾아내는데요.
What now?
There's fresh flowers on it.
그렇게 수상한 남자들을 쫓는 두 사람.
Hey, you. Stop right there. I'm telling you to stop.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Eu tô trabalhando, sim.
Hey, hey, stop there. I said stop. Hey,
Hey! Son of a bitch!
stop!
Porra!
Stop right there! Hey!
Okay, freeze! Freeze! Hands, let me see them. And now drop your weapon, but do it slowly, okay? I said slowly.
Move!
Whoa.
Come on.
Easy now. That's it. Where is Ancares? You find that funny?
Solta essa arma! Solta logo! Solta essa arma, seu filho da puta!
Melhor vocês largarem as armas.
상황이 역전되자 두 사람은 어쩔 수 없이 남자들의 지시를 따릅니다.
Tá olhando o quê?
Não precisa explicar isso, né? Vocês, podem ir embora. Vaza.
Como, caralho?
Volta na cabeça. O velho não quer a menina.
Hey!
God! Fucking hell!
어째선지 알파를 버리고 세타만을 납치한 이들은 어딘가로 향하는데
Vai, desce, porra! Desce, caralho, desce agora! Vai, sobe logo, porra!
그렇게 세타는 드디어 앙카레스와 마주하죠.
Was this whole circus really necessary?
You're supposed to be a professional, right? That's not a good attitude. I'm going to ask you this once. Why are you looking for me?
To protect you.
You can't even protect yourself. What's your alias?
Zeta.
Colombia wants me because...
You know exactly why. To find out what happened 37 years ago in Colombia. Operation Cienega. What is it?
I'll be the one asking the questions for the time being. Okay, Zeta? You've been to my house and you've seen my family. How are they? So why don't you share your astute insight with me and give me your assessment?
Do you happen to have any other family that needs protection?
Very good. Zeta, the kid did his homework.
Records in Spain show that you were married and had a son.
That life belonged to Eric Baena. And I think you know where Eric Baena has been buried for the past 34 years. My life's over there now, in Estonia, in Tallinn. Will you protect my family, yes or
I've
no?
already told you yes, that's my job. But you need to tell us what Operation Cienega was and how it could hurt us.
How exactly do you plan on saving my life when you're just taking shots in the dark?
There are no records of the mission. We think they were all shredded by CESID.
There was nothing to shred. It was the 80s.
Who was it that wants you dead and why?
Zeta, stay calm, young man. The whole mission revolved around a large Colombian estate located very close to Medellin.
이에 앙카레스는 과거 거물 범죄자였던 프리아세와 티라프를 동료들과 비밀리에 쫓았다는 얘기를 해줍니다.
The holy trinity of scumbag bastards together in the same place. The site was very tricky. Families, children, but it was our only chance. 5 of us were convinced that the mission would be quick and clean.
I guess if someone is taking revenge on the CNI 37 years later, the operation wasn't as clean as you had hoped. What went wrong?
Keep one thing in mind about Tirapu. He was an evil bastard, but no one accused him of being a fool.
두 범죄자를 체포할 절호의 기회였지만 작전 진행이 어려운 환경이었는데요.
Tirapu chose to meet on the big day of the fair. A day he knew would provide him with maximum protection. All those families would be a perfect shield for him.
There he is!
We had no choice in the matter. We had to abort the mission.
But it wasn't aborted.
Apprehending Tirapu had become a state matter. He was leaving Colombia. There might not be another opportunity. And to make matters even fucking worse, someone warned Furiasi. He knew we were onto them. And it all went to shit. That was the most fucked up moment of my first life as an agent.
Who do you think is taking revenge on you?
Honestly, it could be anyone. Anyone connected to the people we took out at the fair.
You and I are going. The DNI has some questions for you. Let's go.
First, you're gonna tell something to Grandma, little Zeta Riding Hood. Why the hell are you trying to meet the wolf so bad?
I came to protect you, and that's what I'm doing. Let's go. Come on. Tell them to put down their weapons. I'm not going to say it twice.
I wonder how you're gonna get them to do that.
My partner is aiming at you, so don't screw around.
이때 앙카레스를 향해 총을 겨누고 있는 알파의 모습이 드러납니다.
Hey, não briga não, filho da caralho! Porra! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the weapon! Drop it right now! Get all the fucking stuff in the bag! Right now! Goes in the bag!
Put it in the bag. All right, put everything in the bag. Come on.
Put all the fucking stuff in the bag. Pick up the bag. Just do it. Just do it. Come on. Anda, pai. I'll blow your fucking head off.
Yeah!
그렇게 알파는 앙카레스의 부하들에게 쫓기고 그 사이 세타는 앙카레스를 인질로 삼으며 차로 향하죠.
Vai, pega, pega, corre!
Now get off already! God damn it!
Where is she?
Meu porra! Peguei, mané.
Don't shoot me.
Chá comigo.
No, please
Não
don't
mata
kill
essa
me.
vaca.
Calm down.
Tira a porra!
Holy fucking shit.
결국 알파의 활약으로 세타는 앙카레스를 무사히 납치할 수 있었습니다.
Hello, Alpha.
Elena Farun.
Yolanda?
Alpha.
Elena Farun, Ugolanda. They're waiting for us inside.
Ancares, come with me.
Zeta, I think it's better for you to wait at the hotel.
This way.
So you don't need me anymore, huh?
Actually, you're not authorized to enter. But your hotel's across the street. You can walk there.
잠시 후 앙카레스는 콜롬비아 정보국의 요청으로 이 자리가 만들어졌다는 걸 듣죠.
If you don't mind, I'd prefer you to give me the most condensed version you have.
Colombia is investigating something related to the killing of our agents. We don't know what, but if we don't cooperate, they're threatening a diplomatic crisis. They insist that the only person who can help them is you.
한편 세타는 호텔 방으로 들어가지만 누군가가 자신의 방으로 몰래 들어오는 걸 눈치채는데요.
Hands up.
Hey, relax.
Who are you?
Well, the old Spaniard sent us.
Ancares?
And we just want to help.
Help with what?
The old man will tell you that. Now you have to trust us.
Just stay calm.
Right?
Put what's in your backpack on the table. Come on. Both of you.
I'll prepare the equipment. Very well.
Okay. On the table, and no funny business.
이들은 앙카레스의 조력자라며 앙카레스의 회담을 엿들을 수 있도록 이어폰을 건넵니다.
Let's get to work.
Marlon, do you copy?
Darling, it's good to hear your voice after so long, brother. We are at the hotel across the street in a fancy room with your new boyfriend.
Zeta, I need you to just listen so you can learn a little from your elders. Marlon, something smells really rotten in here, but I don't know what it is yet, so I need you to be my eyes out there. Okay?
Well, don't you worry. That's why I'm here.
잠시 후 앙카레스는 콜롬비아와 스페인 정보국이 모여 있는 자리에 앉아 시에나가 작전에 대한 질문을 받습니다.
A unit of yours operated illegally on Colombian soil to apprehend a Spanish terrorist. The mission ended in a massacre. We need to assign responsibility.
Define responsibility.
The person responsible for giving the order to open fire during a public celebration filled with innocent families. 20 dead and dozens injured.
The statute of limitations expired. I just don't fucking understand what we're doing here.
Did you have contact with the deceased in the last few months?
We know you did, Mr. Ancares. You just need to confirm.
The information is correct. A journalist did contact Celia a month ago, I guess. She knew a lot of details about Cienega and wanted to talk to all of us for an article she was writing.
Did you ever contact her?
I did not, but we decided to meet after that because we were not sure how to proceed. Celia informed us that the journalist knew everything about the operation.
그런데 이때 갑자기 도청이 끊기기 시작하고 이들은 또 다른 누군가가 도청한다고 생각하죠.
We're not the only ones listening in.
It's coming from the hotel above us.
Boss, listen, just keep doing what you're doing, but take a look at the window. We are being spied on.
Why did you disappear after the incident in Tallinn? Okay, but you could have asked for help from the CNI.
I could have done that, but I didn't.
Why not?
Because clearly someone had betrayed us. That someone could only be from my house, the CNI, or another agency with sensitive intel access. From here on out, nothing that happens will be a coincidence.
Okay.
I'm saying that the shit we're floating in right now is 12 floors deep. If we keep playing these spy games, that shit's going to rise at least 8 floors higher. So now, you decide.
20th floor.
Confirmed. It's on the 20th floor, room 2006.
Vivi, go with him.
All that shit that you and I have.
곧바로 세타는 도청 장치가 있는 20층으로 황급히 달려가는데요.
Okay, all clear.
All clear.
You can come up.
Okay.
37 years ago, Esteban Furiase lost his father in your sloppy operation. He's looking for you, and he's taking out each one of you. We found out, and we want to know what happened before another shit show like that blows up in our faces.
이때 콜롬비아 정보국은 프리아스의 아들인 에스테반이 아버지의 복수를 하기 위해 4명의 요원들을 죽였다며 앙카레스가 무언가를 숨기고 있다고 말합니다.
So if you don't mind, let's go back to the beginning. Maybe start by telling us why they killed the others and not you.
What do you say we finally put all our cards on the table? What do you want from me?
I already told you. I want the person responsible for the massacre. The one who's actually responsible.
We want Casiel.
Casiel?
You never told your people?
Do you know who Casiel is?
Nope.
Ancares, please clarify who Casiel is and why he's not in our files.
Those motherfuckers know.
Who is Cassiel?
Can't tell you.
Are you deaf or what? I asked you a question.
Sorry, kid, you'll have to ask the old Spaniard.
The only ones who had any information about that name were the 5 of us from the Cienega. And Casiel. So either you tell me how they got to Casiel.
In an operation 3 weeks ago, we discovered that Furiase had been keeping some information secret for more than 30 years. We had an insider who brought us valuable intel.
그때 알파가 중요한 증인이 있다며 동영상을 보여주는데요.
You see this little camera and the ticket are ready. You have nothing to worry about, man. Go on.
The boss was totally obsessed with that Spanish guy, Ancares. I went into the house when the boss left and I cloned his computers. Then I opened the drawers and I found a smaller computer hidden in there. I noticed an envelope. I opened it and inside was a card with a handwritten name on it.
And what was that name?
Casiel.
Who is Casiel, Mr. Ancares?
I'll give you Casiel when you guarantee my safety and my family's. However, you can only guarantee that once you have Furiase in custody, okay? You give me Furiase, I give you Casiel. And I want that in writing, Elena.
We can't negotiate.
No. When this is over, I want all 3 of you in my office.
Find out about Esteban.
Keep monitoring, yeah. Keep monitoring.
Okay.
잠시 후 밖에 있던 앙카레스에게 다가온 스페인 정보국장은 어째서 카시엘이란 사람을 감싸냐고 묻습니다.
He gave the order. Ancares, who is he? Who are you protecting?
What's wrong? I can't hear anything.
What happened?
We lost him.
Why exactly do you assume that Casiel is a man?
Is Casiel a woman?
Casiel has been the most loyal agent there ever was. We asked her for Tirapu, and she gave us Tirapu, sacrificing the unimaginable.
Her name. Is she alive?
I could give you her name, but you'll never get Casiel.
Why?
Because the Casiel we knew no longer exists, Elena. She doesn't operate like we do now. But her loyalty is still alive, isn't it? Don't give me that fucking look. That's why you chose her son. Because you knew that he would never give up.
Ancares, don't play with fire.
We'll be playing with fire in this life and in the next one. Casiel is Pilar. And that's the end of this fucking conversation.
알고 보니 놀랍게도 카시엘은 현재 병에 걸린 세타의 어머니였던 것이었죠.
How long have you known that Yago's your son?
It's my family, Elena. I've always been a little ahead of you all.
Will you tell him then?
In good time. For now, let them keep thinking Casiel's a man, okay? Are you guys there?
Hey! Hey, what happened?
Guess why the fuck you couldn't hear me?
Ancares, the signal dropped. We lost you.
You won't like it, Marlon. Not one fucking bit. I'm on my way.
All right.
한편 콜롬비아 정보국은 앙카레스의 협상을 받아들이고 프리아스의 아들인 에스테반을 검거하기로 합니다.
What did the official tell you?
The $250,000 buys 15 minutes of darkness.
Our agreement was for 30 minutes, though.
Welcome to Medellin, Colombia.
All right, for 15 minutes, we'll be ghosts in that maze.
잠시 후 작전을 기다리며 만반의 준비를 하고 있는 알파와 세타.
All right, we're now 1 hour from blackout.
그렇게 에스테반 검거 작전이 시작됩니다.
Hey, what's happening? What happened to the lights?
What's going on?
Boss, the entire Cienega is without power.
And the generator?
It's been compromised.
완벽한 호흡을 보여주며 어둠 속에서 적들을 제압해가는 두 사람.
You've just hit 10 minutes.
What's going on?
It's fine. Stay calm. They're doing just fine. Take care of them.
Yes, sir.
Target left.
그런데 이때 알파가 독단적으로 움직이기 시작하는데요. 그 사이 한 남자와 사투를 벌이는 세타.
Two minutes. You have to get out of there now. Not good.
잠시 후 세타가 한 발 늦게 에스테반의 방에 도착하고 이때 세타는 의미심장한 말과 함께 에스테반을 죽인 알파의 모습을 발견합니다.
What the fuck are you doing?
Self-defense. Let's go.
Marlin reports that the power's back on and paramilitary vehicles are headed for the Cienega.
Paramilitary 1 minute out.
Get them out, Ancares. Get them out of there.
그 사이 세타는 굳건하게 닫힌 철문을 폭파시키고 있었는데요. 예상보다 많은 전력의 두 사람은 당황하며 총격전을 벌이고
Extraction, goddammit! Extraction! Alpha! Come on, we'll be okay. Yeah, let's go. Go, drive, come on, move! Let's get the hell out of here. Let's get the hell out of here.
Furiase cell phone.
Grandpa, returning to base. The parasafety sound.
그렇게 두 사람은 무사히 복귀합니다.
Good work, Zeta. Furiase?
He's dead.
What?
Alpha did it.
Okay, but why?
Self-defense. Furiase's phone.
Well, at least we have something. Good job, Zeta. Let's see what we get.
You did a great job.
Yeah, right. Furiase's dead, you know.
Okay, so what? Would you rather end up being the dead one?
Not really.
One less motherfucker in the world. All of us are happy, Iago.
Boss, she's fine. Took a shot to the vest. Hard hit and a good scare. That's...
한편 알파는 어째선지 휴식을 취해야 함에도 불구하고 에스테반의 휴대폰에 집착하는데요.
You got something, right?
No. So far, we got nothing.
So, any good news on that phone?
Nope.
No.
There's nothing yet.
Your turn. Where's Cassiel?
Look, you just get well. We'll talk later, okay?
Alpha, the deal was Furiase. Alive.
Dead or alive, all you needed was evidence against him. You have his cell phone.
I'll tell you what, Alpha. As soon as we find out what's on his phone, we'll get to talk. Is that all right with you?
Cassiel, or I swear no one's going anywhere.
Start talking, for fuck's sake. Okay. Tell us where Cassiel is.
Why are you protecting her?
So how is it you know Cassiel is a woman? I never told anyone who's still alive.
Don't underestimate me. I was the one who dug up the case. We've been after her for many years.
Cassiel was, well, she was our most valuable source of information. Infiltrating the Cienega was impossible, so the center did what it does best.
These are the 3 zones that we'll use to exchange intel. We'll need a code name.
We thoroughly instructed her on the case, and it was us who turned her into an undercover agent.
Write your initials.
But for safety's sake, we dubbed her Cassiel, an acronym. The initials of the names of the 6 of us. Only we knew her by that name. She was a goddess. No doubt Furiase would crumble like rubble.
앙카레스는 과거 프리아세에게 카시엘을 스파이로 보내 정보를 캐냈던 것에 대해 말해줍니다.
Hana, Mr. Furiase.
Sarah became Teo's favorite pastime. She began to see and hear things.
하지만 앙카레스는 카시엘에게 마음이 있었고 카시엘 역시 마찬가지였죠.
Eventually, things got complicated.
Why don't we leave all this?
I'm not leaving until I get that son of a bitch.
And she literally risked her life to find out everything about the weapons that Tirapu was going to buy from Furiase. She got the day, time, place, everything.
그러던 어느 날 카시엘이 고급 정보를 알아내지만 그만 흔적을 남기고 맙니다.
Tirapu should have been the finishing touch to so much sacrifice, but it all went wrong. The op went sideways the moment all those civilians got in the way.
바로 그때 에스테반이 카시엘이 망가뜨린 장식품을 목격하고
You have a call, sir.
Excuse me.
Dad, that woman's a spy. She's been lying to you. Don't trust that bitch.
결국 상황은 급변하기 시작하는데요.
For a moment, Sarah and I were so close to it ending up as just another mission. But then... Hey, who the fuck are you?
그렇게 놀란 카시엘이 방아쇠를 당기며 총격전이 시작됐고 프리아세를 비롯한 수많은 사람들이 사망한 것이었죠.
We were just kids. None of us were prepared for that. None of us. All I cared about was getting her out of there. We all shared the blame, and in a manner of speaking, we all died that day.
And what happened after Cienega?
세타는 그날 이후의 일을 물었고 앙카레스는 그제서야 모든 진실을 말해줍니다.
They pulled us out of Colombia, kept us under wraps for a good long while. And when we got back to Spain, Sarah and I focused on what really mattered. Starting a family. Our son was born. What the
hell did you say?
And our plan was to continue to...
Fucking head off, fucking clown! You're a fucking clown! Put it down! That's enough, damn it! Fuck away from me! That's enough! That's enough! You're a fucking clown, man! You're a fucking bitch-ass clown!
Okay,
asshole.
get the hell out of here, damn
Go
it!
to hell!
That's enough!
Fucking asshole!
Are you okay? Sarah!
Well, but what I do know is that Cassiel started the shooting at the fair. I don't know what's going on with you guys, so stop with the bullshit and tell me once and for all where she is.
Our plan was to stay with the service under the radar, and we were both ready to start a new life, another one, far away from Spain. But by then, too much had happened between us. And only I got on that plane.
Ancares, this Pilar, Cassiel, whatever her name is, where can we find her?
I don't know. But I'm gonna find out, partner.
그렇게 알파와의 대화를 마치고 세타에게 향하는 앙카레스.
This life is very difficult, but it's...
How long have you known who I am?
Father always needs to be 2 steps ahead of his son.
By abandoning your family?
Your mother wasn't cut out for this life. She didn't want to continue in the service, and I did. So I decided to disappear. I thought I was making the right decision at the time. She decided I didn't deserve to exist.
Well, you did exist for me.
Zeta, get your things. We're going home. I'll personally make sure that they don't discover her identity.
잠시 후 집으로 돌아가려던 세타에게 앙카레스가 정보를 전합니다.
Elena's wrong.
What do you mean?
Your mother isn't sick yet. Come here.
What are you saying?
앙카레스가 메시지를 전하려던 것.
Everybody else inside! Get inside! Get in the trunk! Hold him there, hold him.
이때 알파가 황급히 저격수를 쫓기 시작하는데요.
Better stay with me, asshole! Stay with me, motherfucker! You gotta stay with me!
그렇게 저격수의 차를 따라잡은 알파였지만 그녀가 꺼낸 말은 뜻밖이었죠.
Why the hell didn't you wait for my signal?
Did I get him or what?
Do you have the recording?
Elena's wrong.
What do you mean?
Your mother isn't sick yet. Come here. Listen.
Can't the audio be recovered?
No.
I told you to wait for my signal.
Well, what do we do now then? Put a bull in his leg, run away? What do we do? Do we...
결국 알파는 저격수의 입을 막기 위해 그를 처리하고 현장을 훼손합니다. 한편 세타는 집으로 돌아왔는데요.
Hey, Yago's back. We'll continue later. I'll leave you with him, okay? Hey. All right, I'm off.
I've missed you so much.
하지만 세타가 어머니와 행복한 시간을 보내는 사이 알파가 이곳으로 찾아옵니다.
Drop your weapon.
그때 이를 눈치챈 듯 세타는 알파를 저지하는데요.
How did you do it? How did you find the 5 agents from Operation Ciénaga?
Everyone has a price.
Hello?
Celia,
Just a moment.
you contacted her and she led you to the others. You used Esteban to carry out the plan and kill the agents. At the same time, you used Andresito's lies to get the DNI to go after Furiase and uncover Operation Ciénaga. Once you got to Ancares, Furiase was useless.
Wait, you were the one who...
I saw you kill him. It wasn't self-defense. And the same thing happened to Ancares. He caught you.
So how is it you know Cassiella's a woman? I never told anyone who's still alive.
Don't underestimate me. I was the one who dug up the case.
He was about to tell me who you were when your hitman killed him. Don't move.
그리고 마침내 알파의 진짜 목적이 드러나죠.
Who do you work for?
For myself.
I said, why the fuck do you want my mother?
I spent my whole life chasing after her. Your mom caused the massacre at the festival.
알고 보니 알파는 시에나가 작전에서 카시엘의 총격으로 눈앞에서 어머니를 잃어버리고 말았던 것인데요.
I was there.
Wake up!
While my parents were bleeding to death. Iago, I have nothing against you.
Listen to me. You're going to put down the gun you have there. The one you've got behind your back. You have no way out. You have to trust me. The DNI already knows. Put down your weapon. Everything will be okay. Set it down.
그렇게 세타를 쏜 뒤 알파는 마침내 원수인 카시엘의 눈앞에 섭니다.
Hello, Casio. I didn't get her.
We gotta push him over.
하지만 어머니를 지키기 위해 세타는 알파를 제압하고 동시에 구급차를 부르죠.
think that was pretty reckless on your part.
Don't tell me you didn't know it all from the beginning.
Thank you very much, Zeta. Truly. Coming.
그리고 며칠 뒤 세타는 어머니가 그동안 숨겨놓았던 편지를 우연히 발견하는데요.
Dear son, if you're reading this letter, it means I am no longer with you. It's very difficult for me to write these words, but I have to do it, since I never had the courage to tell you the truth.
I'm leaving. See you in a few days, Mom.
Your father was not killed in the line of duty. I know you'll have many questions, but I only have one answer. I wanted to protect you, not from him. He loved you deeply, but from myself. I wanted to bury the woman I once was, and that was impossible with him. So I left him and didn't give him a chance to be your father. I know it's unfair to you, just as it was to him. I hope that someday you can forgive me. I love you.
그렇게 세타는 부모님의 복잡한 사정에 대해 알게 됐고 다행히 앙카레스가 기적적으로 살아났다는 소식을 전해 듣습니다.
You have no idea what kind of old man you have. That motherfucker's one hard dude to kill. The bullet came this close. You're really lucky to have him.
Where is he? Leaving already?
Gonna scratch my balls in Cartagena.
Pretty nice.
Why didn't you kill her? You know she'll be back for you, right?
Safe travels.
질문에 대한 대답을 뒤로 한 채 세타는 앙카레스가 있다는 곳으로 향하는데 이렇게 세타와 앙카레스가 서로 미소를 짓는 모습으로 영화 세타 요원은 막을 내립니다.